James Wellbeloved is a well-known brand in the pet food industry, and if you're considering buying their products, there are a few things you need to know before making your purchase. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes James Wellbeloved stand out and how it compares to competitors. Stick around till the end, because I've got some exclusive offers for you that you won't want to miss. Now, first off, James Wellbeloved offers a range of pet foods that are designed to be gentle on your pet's stomach, which is a major selling point. If your pet suffers from food sensitivities, this brand can be a great option. They use easily digestible ingredients and avoid common allergens like beef, wheat, and dairy. It's a clear distinction from many other brands that rely heavily on these ingredients, which can sometimes lead to issues with digestion or skin irritation. Next thing, the brand places a strong emphasis on natural ingredients. James Wellbeloved doesn't just use the minimum required amount of meat or fillers, but prioritizes quality. For example, their kibble includes turkey or lamb as the primary protein, rather than byproducts. If you compare it to something like Pedigree or Royal Canin, which may use more grains and fillers, James Wellbeloved's focus on animal protein sets them apart in terms of nutritional quality. The third thing to note is their commitment to sustainability. James Wellbeloved uses ethically sourced ingredients, which is a big plus in today's world. If you care about the environmental impact of the products you buy, you might appreciate their approach. When you compare this to some other brands, like Hill Science Diet, which also boasts quality ingredients but doesn't highlight its sustainability practices as much, James Wellbeloved definitely takes it a step further. Next thing, price is always a factor when it comes to pet food. James Wellbeloved isn't the cheapest option on the market, but it's fairly priced for the quality of ingredients you're getting. For comparison, brands like iams or Pedigree might be more budget-friendly, but they don't offer the same level of transparency or high-quality ingredients. It's about balancing cost with quality, and James Wellbeloved hits that sweet spot. Now, one thing that sets James Wellbeloved apart from its competitors is their limited ingredient diet. Their formulas are ideal for pets with food sensitivities, which many other brands don't cater to as well. If your pet is dealing with allergies or digestive issues, a limited ingredient diet like this can be a game changer. Other brands that do offer limited ingredients, like Natural Balance, don't quite match up to the nutritional integrity James Wellbeloved provides. The sixth thing is the flavor options. James Wellbeloved offers a variety of flavors and recipes, from turkey and rice to lamb and rice, ensuring your pet doesn't get bored with their meals. While many brands offer a similar variety, James Wellbeloved is known for its palatability, making it a great choice for picky eaters. It's something to consider when you compare it to alternatives like Acana or Origen, which focus more on the high protein content, but may not be as suitable for all pets. Finally, the customer experience. If you've ever tried buying from James Wellbeloved, you'll know that they offer excellent customer service. Whether it's helping with specific dietary questions or providing guidance on the right products for your pet, they go above and beyond. When compared to competitors, the overall service experience is smooth and customer-oriented, which is something not all pet food brands can claim. So, if you're looking to try James Wellbeloved, I've got a special deal for you. Click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial for their products and enjoy some exclusive benefits. Trust me, this is the best offer you'll find. Don't miss out. If you're on the fence, just remember, James Wellbeloved is a brand that puts your pet's health first, while also keeping environmental concerns in mind. Their commitment to high-quality, natural ingredients is unmatched, and their customer service ensures you'll always feel confident in your purchase. Click that link in the description to give it a try for yourself and see how your pet loves it.